Oven baked black pepper chicken breast. It's not just the black pepper. We are making this delicious recipe of the chicken breast. It's going to be oven baked. It's going to be one pot. It's going to take at least 30 minutes. So let's get into it, guys. Take a look here. We have 2 whole chicken breasts. So we have 4 fillets of the chicken breast. Skinless, boneless, fat-free. They all are looking good. This is organic chicken. So first thing, guys, take the whole breast, rinse it, and put in your marination bowls. Yes, or use any pot which can do the marinade for us, right? Okay, so first thing goes in here. We will take some garlic salt. For the 4 of the breast, we will add at least 1.5 tablespoon of garlic salt. The second is the white pepper powder, at least 1 whole tablespoon. Alright, this is freshly grounded black pepper. We will add at least 1 whole tablespoon on top of this. This is mace powder. You can get it from the market. Mace, M-A-C-E P-O-W-D-E-R, mace powder. Here you go. You will add half tablespoon of mace powder in here. Thyme leaves, right? It will give a perfect flavor, okay? Half tablespoon right here. Oregano leaves, yes, we need a little bit oregano touch to it. Half tablespoon goes in here. This is easy, simple, and quick chicken breast recipe. White distilled vinegar, all right? At least 2 tablespoons goes in here. This is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We will add at least 6 tablespoons right here. That's what it looks like, guys. Now what we will do, let's just marinate this now. Oh my god, the aroma is yum. This is a perfect version of a black pepper. Black pepper is just for the catching. You know, you want to catch your customers or your guests, just tell them it's a black pepper, but you are adding at least 5 more other ingredients just to taste good, you know. This is the whole trick for it. So once you put all these ingredients, take a look. It's gonna look like this. The chicken breast. This is a black pepper chicken breast marinade. So you mix it. Perfect. It's all done. What we have to do now, put this marination in the fridge at least for 30 minutes. That's the minimum time. The max you can go overnight, or in the middle you can go after 4 hours. I'll see you guys after 30 minutes. Oven baked black pepper chicken breast recipe is here. All right, it's been 30 minutes and this is our chicken breast. Yes, so we will grab, you can put this chicken breast on a baking sheet or you can use a pot. I'm using a pot. So once you grab the chicken breast, put it face up, just like that. And here you go. Just give it a final mix as well. And here you go. It has the olive oil enough. If your chicken breast is dry, you can add some olive oil at the bottom. So this is the bottom. If you see, it's shiny, it's oily. This is enough. And here you go, the third one. And this is the 4th one. Here you go. Perfectly done. Let's just give them a little bit space in between. This is the remaining seasoning. And I'll just grab it from the hand and just massage this on top of it. Very easy recipe. If you want to eat healthy, black pepper chicken breast, just add these 6 ingredients and your chicken breast will be yummy. Give me 30 minutes in the oven at 425 degrees and I'll show you what a delicious dish. It looks so good. It's fully packed with seasonings and it's right here. Let's bake this at 425 degrees for 30 minutes and I'll see you after 30 minutes. Here you go. Well guys, 30 minutes later, this is our beautiful chicken breast, the black pepper chicken breast. Wow man, it's looking delicious. Remember I was telling you guys it has olive oil, right? Look at this. Look at the oils and the juices right here. All right, let's dish this out and let me show you how does it look, right? All right, here you go. Let's put this right here, and let me grab this guy as well. Home cooked. So easy, so delicious looking dish, huh? Anyone can make this. The right amount of ingredients. Just a little bit of cilantro, or you can do parsley. It's gonna make it look good. Okay, just right there. Beautiful, easy black pepper chicken breast right here in front of you. This is the moment of truth now, guys. Here you go. I got a knife, and let's cut this guy and see from the inside. It is juicy, right? Or no, it is. You see the juice? Yes, sir. This is what we need. Man, it's juicy. The right amount of ingredients does the trick. Yes, all of it right here. Thank you so much for watching. So let me do the taste test just to tell you guys. Here you go. Ooh, it has a actually balanced flavor of a black pepper. Man, yummy. I don't have actually words to describe this, but it's good though. It's like yum. Take a look here. You see this? All this marinade and the chicken, and it's a breast in olive oil, oven baked. This is the most healthy meal. The whole straight meal right here of protein. Calling it a meal just because of the protein. It's just protein right here. Nothing is bland about this recipe. Take a look, guys. How beautiful it looks. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you on the next one with another easy, straightforward, delicious recipe. It literally took me, you guys saw that, right? 50 minutes to cook this recipe at home. You can cook as many as you want, just increase the quantity, just double up everything. If you're making 8, just double up the quantity. If you're making 12, triple the quantity of the ingredients. And bye-bye for now. This is the chicken breast. Man, it is soft, right? Yummy, juicy.